This is Dr. Nicole, and I want to give you a sneak peek inside of the Holistic Wellness Collective. When you get inside, you're going to click first on this button that says Welcome. You're going to get to the landing page, which just generally introduces you to the Wellness Collective and all the great stuff that we have inside. There's an area here where you can submit any questions that you have. There's all the specific categories if you want to just quick jump to one of your main concerns that you want to learn about. We have a frequently asked questions page. We have a button which is start your journey. And so when in doubt, the first thing you're going to do when you're starting your program is you're going to get onto the start your journey button, which is also the first page of the wellness roadmap. And the wellness roadmap is designed to be a solution to the problem of, I don't know where to start and I don't know what to do. So this is exactly how we're going to work our way through healing anxiety, actually getting to the root cause of anxiety. And each of these steps walks you through how I think about the anxiety healing process as a doctor and a clinician who studied EMDR and trauma. And this is going to be absolutely amazing. So we have tons of modules here for you. I'm adding to it every single month. And so we can curate it based on what you want. So you start your wellness journey and then you're super excited. You get to step one. There's going to be a beautiful video here for you. We have amazing workbook handouts. You just simply click the button and then you can download it. And here's the work roadmap and these exercises. Like, look how beautiful this is. It's so fun. And so you're going to work your way through the roadmap. And we also have tons of information about just specific modalities. If you want to learn more about herbs, you can click and read about herbs. And I have recipes for you for anxiety symptoms, adults and kids. If you want to learn about homeopathy, we have videos and handouts in here for you about homeopathy. We even have information about medications. And so if your doctor's recommended a medication and you want to know if it's right for you or if there are side effects to look out for, if there are interactions, we address a lot of that here. And then of course, therapy tools. Learn how to be your own trauma-informed therapist. I have videos and handouts. It's jam-packed with so much information. You will see that we have different conditions that are across the top too. So if you want to learn about increasing brain health and brain detox, I've got you. If you want to heal your gut, I've got you. If you want to balance your hormones, like girl, it's all here. If you're struggling with sleep, no problem. That was my main thing. I again have a video here, a beautiful handout, and a quick and easy way to order supplements, and you can get them on discount through this membership. And then if you want to understand your labs, because let's face it, labs can be very confusing. So I teach you how to understand your labs. And I even have a link where you can go and order your own labs. And once you get the results back, I walk you through how to do your own interpretation. So it's absolutely amazing. We have more resources like the Holistic Inner Balance podcast and all sorts of cool stuff. So hopefully your questions are going to be answered in here and more. And we will be adding every single month to make it better and better. If there's a question that you have and you don't see it in the Wellness Collective, then submit that topic and I will jump in there and be sure to add that value. And make sure that you're in the Facebook group. That link here is on the left. And navigating this is really easy. Just to get to the homepage, you hit that welcome button. It'll bring you right back here. I'm so looking forward to seeing you on the inside of the Holistic Wellness Collective. Thank you for being here.